Hello all, welcome to the program Know Your Government by Ekam IAS, an initiative where a government scheme is picked upon, elaborated on its content and is followed by a question which is in line with the UPSC pattern. Today we will look into a scheme which is known as the Shreyas program which was in news very recently. Shreyas basically means Scheme of Higher Education, Youth in Apprenticeship and Skills. Scheme of Higher Education Youth in Apprenticeship and Skills is the Shreyas scheme. This is a scheme for providing industry apprenticeship and opportunities to ensure that the students who are pursuing the higher education part, they are also given an opportunity to conduct proper apprenticeship avenues is one of the objective of this program. This is a program which is launched by the Ministry of Human Resources and Development. This is an MHRD Ministry's program. The program aims to enhance the employability of an Indian youth by providing on-the-job work exposure and also earning above stipend. Now, once a student has been given an avenue to do the internship part as well, he is learning new practical skill which is actually needed by the industry. So, through that, what a student has been learning in the textbooks, that has been converted into a practical learning as well for him, which in turn plays a pivotal role in enhancing the employability part of the youth. So that is again one of the key objective of this Shreyas program. Now this is a program conceived for students in degree courses. Primarily the non-technical courses. Now, to introduce employable skills into their learning is one objective of this one. To introduce employable skills in the degree courses which are primarily the non-technical courses, one. Second one is to ensure apprenticeship as an integral to education. Ensuring apprenticeship mode is also being integrated to the education. And third one is to play a bigger role in the government's objectives of facilitating employment to the people. So these are the three key ideas which has been taken care by the Shreyas program. One is including the employable skills, second one is apprenticeship as an integral part of the education, and third one is in a larger run providing employment facilitating options for the youth is something which has been taken care of through this program. Now, this is a program basket comprising the initiatives of three central ministries, that is MHRD, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and Ministry of Labour and Employment. Specific initiatives of these three ministries are coming together to play a role for the success of Shreyas program, like the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme of one ministry, the National Career Service Scheme of the other ministry, and introduction of BA, BSc and BCom professional courses. So understand that for this program success, three ministries are also playing a key role, even though this is a program which is spearheaded by the MHRD. What is the objective of this program? First one is definitely to improve the employability of the students, as we have already discussed. Now, second thing is a close functional link between education and industry and service sectors on a sustainable basis. Because as part of integration of apprenticeship into the education, there is a good linkage which has been happening between the education and industry, and to focus upon that is the second objective of this program. Third one is to provide skills which are in demand to students and in a dynamic manner, because whatever be the skills which the industry need may vary in fact on a timely basis. So providing that and ensuring the youths are employability ready is again one of the key objectives. To establish an earn while you learn culture, because as part of their internship which they are doing in their course programs, they will get some amount of stipend involved as well. So that is the idea of earn while you learn, and to help business or industry in securing good quality manpower, because now the industry is having an avenue wherein which probably they can get students who are trained in a particular area or who have done internship in a particular area, so that rather than getting a student with raw theoretical knowledge alone, there now is a possibility for the industry to get students with a mix of practical as well as theory knowledge. Now, to link student community with employment facilitating efforts of the government as a larger run to help in the youth employment initiatives of the government is also one of the key idea of this Shreyas program. Now, how this program is basically happening is, the primary scheme will be operated in conjunction with National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme. So there is a linkage between the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme. Now, second thing is there is something which is known as the Sector Skill Councils. So the Sector Skills Council will identify and initially decided upon the emerging apprenticeship demand in what all are the skills and areas, and in that one giving the students an apprenticeship opportunity is something which has been taken care of. Initially they are planning to roll this one in the BFSI segments, retail segments, healthcare segments, telecom segments, media segments, ITES segments, etc. So ensuring that linkage between the apprenticeship promotion scheme as well as the apprenticeship avenue is something which has been done on a very practical note. The 3 tracks are there for the implementation of the Shreyas scheme. What they are doing is, first one is something which is known as the add-on apprenticeship. Second one is something which is known as embedded apprenticeship, and third one is something which is known as linking national career services with colleges. That is add-on apprenticeship, embedded apprenticeship, and linking national career services with colleges. Now, under add-on apprenticeship, that is also known as the degree apprenticeship. What they will do is, students who are currently pursuing the final year of their degree, applications will be invited from those students to pursue their apprenticeship post the completion of their degree courses. So usually this is going to start in the month of May, wherein which the in the month of April or May, depending upon the course completion of the students. And in this period, the students will be given a stipend of rupees 6,000 by the industry. So this segment has been clearly targeting upon the degree students, and at the end of the apprenticeship period, there will be conduction of a test, post which the students will be getting a certificate as well. So post that, there is a higher opportunity for the students to get employed in the industry. That is the idea of add-on apprenticeship or degree apprenticeship component in this initiative. Next one is the idea of embedded apprenticeship. Embedded apprenticeship basically involves the idea of starting professional courses in the BA, BSc and BCom related areas. So as part of this, the students will have to do an internship with an organization for a period of 6 to 10 months depending upon the course which they are being into. So in that, they are also given a stipend of rupees 6,000, and at the end of this internship period, there will be a test which is being conducted, and post which they will be also be given certificate. So understand the clear difference. If the previous one was mainly targeting upon for normal degree student, this one is the idea of including or inculcating professional BA, BSc and BCom related courses, so that as part of their course completion as well, they are also given the mode of apprenticeship in different industries. And the third component in this one is linking national career services with colleges. Many times in those colleges where the placement part is not there, the students are not getting placement. Now, under this initiative, the National Career Service portal of Ministry of Labour and Employment would be linked with higher education institutions, so that they can get the avenues for students and they can help the students get jobs as well. This would help students in institutions which do not have the facility of campus recruitment and would play a big role in increasing their employment opportunities, as well as this scheme would be operated by the coordination of 2 different ministries. How? Ministries of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Labour, because it is the Labour Ministry's initiative wherein which they are giving this NCAS program, and the Skill Development Ministry is going to play a key role in terms of the enhancement of the skill aspect. Also, the Sector Skills Councils, they have identified more than 100 areas where they would be able to find apprenticeship opportunities for the students. So, getting an industry-led support for students which would play a role in terms of getting their employment opportunity is one of the key objectives of the scheme. With this background, we will now see a question which is based on the Shreyas program. The Shreyas program seen in news is related to A. Employability, B. Employment exchange, C. Rail corridor, and D. Energy conservation and international relations. As we have already seen, this is a scheme which is going to play a pivotal role in terms of the employability aspect. So, which is giving the right answer as option A, employability. Thank you so much.